And finally, for today's episode, let's turn to Michael Yonker for a look at Adventist history.
During This Week in Adventist History, the Wisconsin and Illinois Conference were formed on September 27 and 28, 1862, at a meeting in Avon, Wisconsin. 8 years later, the conference was subdivided into the Wisconsin and Illinois conferences, which became part of the Lake Union in 1901. Some further complications occurred, with the Illinois conference being subdivided into northern and southern halves in 1902, but by late 1918 it was combined again, except for Chicago, which finally rejoined the Illinois conference family in 1931. Within the Illinois Conference, exactly 91 years after its first formation, on September 27, 1953, an 8-year-old boy, Chucky Richards, a 1949 polio victim, cut the ribbon to open Hinsdale Hospital. The hospital was able to open with special haste thanks to the generous contribution of Eugene and Kettering and his wife, Virginia, local residents, who helped provide the latest equipment for combating the disease, helping inaugurate Hinsdale Hospital with a quick opportunity to provide healing for its community. Also on this week, on October 1, 1971, the Adventist World Radio began its first broadcast under the guidance of the Radio and Television Department of the General Conference. They started with a 250 kilowatt transmitter they had leased from Lisbon, Portugal. Today, it broadcasts in 77 major language groups around the world, with a potential coverage of 80% of the world's population. It utilizes both AM, FM, shortwave, satellite, podcasting, and the internet in its efforts to reach as many as possible. In an age where reaching people in person can be difficult, such efforts remain very valuable. That's This Week in Adventist History.